Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. In the last video, we introduced Django's list view. In this video, we'll pick up from that and we're going to replace our remaining function-based view, which is the to-do detail view. So we'll go to the view file and let's import the detail view. That is detail view. So we'll call our class to-do detail view, and it will inherit from to-do detail, from detail view. So the configuration is quite similar to the one of the update view. So in this case, we'll give it the model that we are working with, the model to fetch when a user visits that URL endpoint. So the context object name that we gave for the function-based view is to do, and it's the same that Django will give by default. So there is no need for us to have a context object name in this case. Again, Django, for the detail view, Django will look for a template beginning with the model name underscore detail, and it's the same name that we gave to our template. So there is no need for us to configure a template name. Django will be able to look for that template, but make sure that the to-do detail view is under a main is under the app name directory in the templates directory. So that's all that is needed to configure the to-do detail view, so we can register it in urls.py. So let's import it, to-do detail view, and let's replace the index view. Let's call the .asView method as usual, and let's drop the function-based view. So we can go to our browser. So we can go to the home page, and let's but one thing, we'll have to update the index template. In the same way, we'll also have to update the PK. In this case, we are using to do ID, but by default Django uses PK, so we'll have to change that to PK. And the same for the template, index template, we'll have to change this one to PK, where we are calling the to do detail view. So we can refresh that one, and when we access to do detail, you can see that we are able to access our to do detail view. So that's all to configure for the to do detail view. And for the to do create view and update view, Django will look for a template known as the model name underscore form. So if we change our to do template, which we are using in those two views, to do form, there'll be no need for us to configure the template name. So we can drop this, and we can drop this. So we can go to the home page, and we can try to access one of the update view. You can see it's still working fine. So that's all for the update view, for the detail view. There are more class-based view that you can use according to your use case. So you can drop into the Django documentation and see how you can use those. So that's it for now. We'll pick up from this in the next video. Thanks for watching.